Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your mortgage with Quicken Loans, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your mortgage with Quicken Loans, first, gather all necessary documentation. This includes your mortgage statement, W-2 forms, tax returns, and any other financial information. Next, visit the Quicken Loans website to access their mortgage services. Look for the section specifically designed for mortgage recovery or refinancing. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the mortgage recovery options available. Select the type of mortgage assistance you are seeking. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. Be prepared to provide details about your financial situation, including income and expenses. Submit your application and keep a record of your confirmation number. After submission, expect to receive a follow-up from a Quicken Loans representative. This representative will review your application and may request additional information. Respond promptly to any queries to expedite the process. If approved, you will receive details about your new mortgage terms. Review these terms carefully and ask questions if anything is unclear. After finalizing the details, you will proceed with signing the loan documents. Once signed, ensure you understand your payment schedule and any changes to your mortgage. Finally, keep communication open with Quicken Loans for any future inquiries or assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.